School is closed in Harney County today as devastating floods continue. Many people are still under evacuation orders. Over the weekend, Governor Tina Kotek declared an emergency and funneled resources to eastern Oregon. Sunrise reporter Thomas Schultz joins us in the studio to walk us through the latest.
Well, good morning, China. And this is the highest floodwater seen in 75 years in Harney County, and it's been going on for 3 weeks now. The Oregon State Fire Marshal's office is mobilizing about 24 people to help, and pictures and video show the vast devastation. The Harney County Sheriff's Office says it's had to perform numerous evacuations of people who refuse to leave their homes despite being under level 3 orders. The flooding is happening due to rapid snowmelt from high temperatures, leading to flooded homes, businesses, and farmland. Harney County Health Department drone video shows the devastation north of Burns, and in this video here you can see a loader being used to rescue people from their homes. Many residents are trying to save personal belongings from their houses before they're destroyed. Some have resorted to kayaks and canoes to navigate the flooded areas, though people are being asked to stay out of floodwaters because sewers have also overflowed. Oregon Governor Tina Kotek says her office is monitoring this situation closely, and she's urging residents to check on your neighbors, follow the instructions and evacuation levels issued by emergency officials, and prepare a go kit. Now, the Burns Paiute Reservation was also hit hard by these floods, but we do have some good news to share. Late last night, the tribe posted on its Facebook page that power has now been restored.